Hey, hey, hey. All right. Hey. What's poppin', everybody? So I'm leaving school. Ah, dang it! The steering wheel is so hot. Dang it. Ubona na. So re tlo go tlogela skolo gona bjano. Why? Hobaneng re feditše skolo. Alright. So, no, darling, we're reversing, darling. Nobody knows parallel parking as good as I do. Okay, so listen, it's an undisputed fact. All right, don't embarrass yourselves by fighting me. All right. Phela rona re a tseba gore ke mang o tsebang go gana hantle. So re tlo qala ka ho tswa mona ka mo parking mo. Unfortunately, there's like a lot of traffic, so like this steering wheel is so hot. Yo, Jesus, God me help me, please. And I need to make a U-turn because I really don't like going out that way. So, phela re tlo ho tlohela mo. Re tlo ho reversa. Alright. Yar, man. This steering wheel is so hot. Ooh-wee. Ay. Thank you. Hey. Yeah, but anyway, people. So I was just playing Simbonile and I was like, let me check on the people. Right? So, Pella, the girl is going to be giving you guys some heat. You know, Pella, this video just to say hello to you guys. Uguti, what's happening? Wabana, we're approaching test 2 season. We'll soon be writing exams. So, we out here, wabana. But unfortunately, like what? Hey! Open my one. Turn to them by one. In the foot by one. Aye. Simple. Aye. Okay, but anyway, guys. So we'll basically just be dropping some heat for you guys. You know, obviously from Ntshware's production company. You know what I'm saying. You know, we don't play around here. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'll basically be collaborating with some people, but peace out, guys, if the camera turns off. So yeah, this is just to say hello, people. So I'll be uploading this on the tube as soon as I get home. Oopsie. But yeah, see, right? Bueno, you're right. But anyway, people, I'm approaching the traffic circle, so peace out, people. Peace out.